Hello?
Back in town tonight.
Yeah, I can get you your mail today.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, there wasn't much. Gloria? I'm really hungry. What do you think about me taking you out for a burger or something tonight?
Let me see.
I mean, if you get hungry or something.
Don't know if I can.
Hi, Rupert.
Hiya. You're all prettied up this evening. Where are you going?
I'm going on a date with this guy.
I don't see any guy. I only see a candlelight dinner for the two of us on my freshly cut lawn.
That sounds very nice, but I'm allergic to grass and candle wax.
And you?
Why don't you hop on the love mower and I'll give you a ride? After all, there may be a pretty big snake in my grass.
No thanks, Weedy Gonzalez. So why don't you get out of here with your candlelight, your love mower, and your snake?
What's the matter, prima donna? Don't like me raining on your parade? You know, every lawn could use a little shower every now and then.
You couldn't produce more than a little shower.
Are you trying to tussle with my muscle? Fancy pants?
Let's go. We are going to be late.